So I did get my crawler whole Land Cruiser thingy delivered. Let's go. Definitely not gonna make videos of it. But it's just another RC thing. And I've never known, other than the one when I was a really young kid. Definitely early teens. So it's kind of nice to see how much RCs have improved. I mean, just quadcopters in general. They were not a thing when I was a kid, but so much stuff with batteries, brushless motors aren't a thing. Anything big was two-stroke. Super expensive. Now everything's not even close to what it used to be. Like everything was easily over $1,000 back when I was a kid. Anything two-stroke motor and stuff, between the controller and the plane, helicopter, wherever you wanted, easily would go over $1,000. And now you can buy anything with a LiPo battery and ready to fly stuff, even with a, and we have that BB, which wasn't a thing. Everything in a bundle for under 300. So we have everything, and even lower than that, you can get stuff for like 200 something. Yeah, box goggles and whatever. Not the best camera, not the best everything else. But you're up and running. Could not do that back in my day. So cool to see all the improvements. Someone left a baseball here, sunline. Just